The Australian Dance Theatre is partnering with luxury cruise brand Cunard to celebrate Queen Elizabeth's record-breaking 2-month season in Australia next year in February and March. Australian Dance Theatre tours a lot, internationally and also nationally. It's kind of really part of our DNA to be touring. We performed in Paris and London and New York on multiple occasions. We're always getting on and off planes, but this is the first time that we're going to be getting on a ship. We're extremely excited about this, particularly given that the Queen Elizabeth is one of the world's most famous cruise ships. The production we'll be presenting on the Queen Elizabeth is called The Beginning of Nature, and it's a piece that we've been working on for the past couple of years and just recently premiered in Australia. It's a work for the 9 extraordinary dancers of Australian Dance Theatre and 2 Indigenous classical singers. The music uses the Kaurna language, which is the Indigenous language of the Adelaide Plains in South Australia, where the company's based. The dancing is based on ideas from nature, the rhythms of nature, such as the tides, the seasons, day, night, flocking, herding, swarming. There'll be 2 performances of The Beginning of Nature on board the Queen Elizabeth in their stunning 800-seat Royal Court Theatre. They're bespoke performances. It'll be a 40-minute work with really the highlights of The Beginning of Nature. So it'll be an amazing opportunity to see a bespoke version of this work, 9 phenomenal dancers, 2 beautiful singers, something really different for the guests on the Queen Elizabeth.